Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Rahu and fear. मैंने बहुत सारे बर्थ चार्ट पे स्टडी किया है, बहुत सारे बर्थ चार्ट पे मैंने रिसर्च किया है कि जब राहु की महादशा पर्सन के ऊपर एक्टिव होती है, यानी बर्थ चार्ट पे एक्टिव होती है, जो कि 18 साल की है, तो आदमी एक अनजान से भय से भयभीत रहता है। यानी कि a person is always suffering during Rahu Mahadasha, which is running 18 years. 18 years is not a small time. A lot of people are suffering without any reason. They are in phobia. They are living in life in unsecurity, unbalanced, because Rahu is active in birth chart. Rahu Mahadasha is active in birth chart. So today my video will explain you something about Rahu, which type of nature of Rahu and which type of activities of Rahu if placed in different houses in your birth chart. Like if Rahu plays in your first house and you have a Mahadasha of Rahu, and Rahu is alone place, there is no conjunction, and Rahu plays in like Gemini sign, in Virgo sign, in Pisces sign, or you can say Rahu plays in Taurus sign, that native will earn a lot of money, bundles of money, name, fame, prosperity. You know, they will get a lot of higher status. They love to live our life with great status. They love those people lifestyle is very different, very positive and different from other people's if Rahu plays well position in first house. And if Rahu plays in bad position, like debilitated sign in first house, or enemy sign like 5 number, 4 number, Rahu plays in your first house, a native will always live our life in a fear, deep depression, sorrow. And if they start any type of business or work, they always get confused, and her or his work never gets success. They are under debts, they are under a lot of tension, depression. They don't know what to do and when to do and how to do, because Rahu Mahadasha is started and Rahu plays in first house, which is not in a good position. Rahu is a shadow planet. It is not a full planet like a sun or moon, Mercury, Mars. It's not like that. Rahu is a shadow planet. It is very far away from our earth. But the effect of the Rahu is very effective on human, especially on the mind. If you have a Rahu Mahadasha, your mind is always disturbed. You always get confused, especially if in first house you never take a right decision. You always get confused. Even people are trying to cheat you if Rahu is not in well placed. And your relationship with your family will be not very good. You will suffer due to your bad health. Some type of nervous system will problem irritate you, backbone related problem irritate you. Rahu will irritate your mental peace. You will be in a deep depression if Rahu is in first house. I saw a lot of birth chart where youngsters suffer. Rahu plays in first house and enemy sign, and they are suffering from the deep depression from last many years. So guys, if Rahu plays in your second house and you have a Rahu Mahadasha 18 year, this is also not very well position of Rahu. If Rahu is in second house, you are always live far away from your family. Relationship with your family, relationship with you and your father is not very promising. Even there is a strong chances to any type of arguments between you and your family. You will involve any type of litigation with your blood relatives, and you are always thinking very negative about your family. Your thinking is very negative if Rahu plays in your second house, and you are always enjoy to try, even you are always eat non-veg, because Rahu is in second house, and second house is also taste of your tongue. So I seen bought lot of birth chart. Rahu is in second house, always give you the instability in your family life, special joint family. A native never live in joint family. A native never live with our parents and never give some respect and regard to our parents. And if Rahu is in second house and you have a Mahadasha of Rahu, the way they speak, people never appreciate them language, because they always use very harsh word, very insulting word for everyone. Because Rahu is in second house also house of your language, your way of speaking, your skills. So if Rahu is in second house, your way of talking is not very good. People are getting confused and disturbed. This type of people, even people don't want to sit with you because your behavior is very awkward with everyone. So if Rahu is in third house, this is one of the best placement of Rahu. Rahu is in third house. People have a great willpower, courage. People is a very God-fearing and you can say strong willpower. A native is a self-made star. You know, you can say those type of people are a self-made man. They earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity during Rahu Mahadasha. If Rahu well placed in your third house and you have a Rahu 18 years of Mahadasha, you will earn bundles of money, name, fame, prosperity. Your siblings are support you. You are supporting your siblings. You will be sky high during this Rahu period, and you will enjoy all type of comforts, materialistic comforts. Even you start your career from zero and you will be on top because Rahu is in third house. This is one of the best placement of Rahu in Upchya Bhav. So if you have a Rahu is in third house and you have a Mahadasha of Rahu, that it means you are enter in a golden period of your life. But there's one condition: Rahu, you should check Rahu placed in which nakshatra, and the where is that planet nakshatra placed in your birth chart. If nakshatra placed is also good, nakshatra planet placed also well placed in your birth chart, you will surely sky high in Rahu Mahadasha if Rahu is in third house. People will appreciate you. People want to make a friendship with you. They are very happy the way you are with others, the way you deal with others. They are very happy and enjoying the moment with you because you are very calculative, very intelligent, and very humble person. If Rahu is in third house, and you have a strong willpower and courage. I really, admire those type of native. They have a Rahu in third house because they have extraordinary skills. They have extraordinary skills about, and they know they're very real to reality. This is not Rahu. Rahu nature is totally different. Rahu is far away from reality. But if Rahu plays in third house, it means a native is very real, very near to reality, and he is very God-fearing and always ready to help others. Now I am going to talk about if Rahu plays in your fourth house, in debilitated sign or in any enemy sign. This is not well position of Rahu. First of all, you will live far away from your birth land. There is strong chances to live in foreign country. Relationship with you and your mother is not very promising. Even age of your mother is small. If Rahu is in fourth house in debilitated sign or enemy sign, any type of. And if fourth lord is also placed in 8th or 12th house and Rahu is in 4th house in enemy sign or debilitated sign, you will definitely settle in foreign land. In 18 years, you will be sky high in foreign land. You will earn in pounds and dollar or euro, and you will be rise a lot if Rahu is in 4th house in debilitated sign. You are not, you don't have any affection or any positive relationship with your mother because Rahu in 4th house is not very well positioned. And but this is very helpful to live far away from your birth land. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu is in 5th house. If Rahu is in 5th house in exalted position, in on sign, exalted position, or in a good sign, Rahu plays in a friendly sign, there is no conjunction, Rahu plays alone in 5th house. This is one of the ultimate position in 5th house. A native will, highly educated. A native will become IT engineer. That native may become doctor, engineer, lawyer if Rahu is in 5th house, and you have 18 years of Rahu Mahadasha started in your young age. You will enjoy thoroughly. You will earn lot of money, bundles of money. You will, earn, and your savings are sky high. Relationship with your siblings, relationship with your loved one is very good. But if Rahu is in debilitated in 5th house in enemy sign, then you will be affected. Bad relationship with your loved one, unsuccessful love affair. Your love affair never turn in your marriage. Your love affair, you can say you are not lucky in the terms of love affair. Your life partner or your girlfriend may cheat you if Rahu is in 5th house and debilitated sign, and your education is not very promising. There is a strong chances to stop in your education. You are very good, you are very intelligent in education, but sudden due to some reason your 1 year is without any reason you are not able to sit in your exams, or you are not clearing your exams due to some reason if Rahu is debilitated or enemy sign in your 5th house, and if you have a Rahu Mahadasha. Now I'm going to talk about one of the best placement of the Rahu in 6th house. If you have an exalted Rahu, if you have an on-sign Rahu or friendly Rahu in 6th house, believe me, your competitors, they can't do anything wrong against you. You will be sky high in your business and profession. You will earn a lot of money. Bundles of money will knock you. Rahu is a planet of shadow planet. In 6th house placement of Rahu, that type of native have a strong willpower, courage, braveness. They're never afraid from anyone. These type of people have a, you can say कि ऐसे लोगों के आगे अगर 100-200 लोग भी आके खड़े हो जाएं और इनको डराने की कोशिश करें, वो ऐसे लोग डरेंगे नहीं. If 6th house plays Rahu in well position, those native are very, very brave, very God-fearing, very near to God, and very fortunate. in the terms of anything. If they start any job, seniors will satisfy from the performance. If they are doing any type of business, then they are enjoying our business, because Rahu is in 6th house, give lot of intelligence, right? And your enemies is not harmful for you. You never, and your life is very smooth. You never under any debt, in any circumstances, you never take loan. If Rahu is in 6th house, money will automatically knock you as a earning. You never borrow money from any side if Rahu is in 6th house. This is the one of the best placement in Upchaya Bhav in 6th house. So now I'm going to talk about Rahu is in 7th house, and if Rahu is in 7th house in debilitated sign, in enemy sign, there is strong chances for 2 marriages, unsuccessful marriage, relationship with spouse will always affected, egoistic wife, and relationship, personal life will be affected. You are not enjoy your sexual life or personal life with your life partner. If your Rahu is debilitated or enemy sign, there is a strong chances to more than 2 marriages, and you are not satisfied first marriage, second marriage, you are never satisfied in your relationship, because Rahu is in your 7th house. And business partnership also is not very promising. If you start business in partnership and Rahu is debilitated in your 7th house, then you will bear a losses. So if you have exalted Rahu in 7th house, if you have an on sign exalted Rahu in 7th house, you are very fortunate in the term of marriage. In you can say in small age, like 22 years or 24-year age, you become you will get a girlfriend, and your relationship will turn in your marriage life, because your Rahu is very strong in 7th house, and you will earn a lot of money. You will become IT engineer, and you may involve in any type of working which is linked with technology. This is not compulsory. If Rahu is 7th house, you are only IT engineer. You may be involved in any type of technical field, and you will be sky high. You will earn a lot of money there. You will lot of gains in Rahu is in 7th house, and foreigners are get in touch with you. You will definitely work in any foreign company, and there is a strong chances to settlement in foreign land, and lot of foreign journeys in during Rahu 18 years Mahadasha, if Rahu well placed in the 7th house. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu placed in 8th house. If debilitated, you will be suffered badly for bad health. Your stomach problem will irritate you. Your health is not very promising. You are always feeling low. You are always in depression. You are not successful in business. You are always feel very shy. Your behavior with others is not very good. You are always getting upset and confused what to do or not. You have a confusion personality if Rahu is in 8th house in debilitated sign or any enemy sign. If Rahu is in 8th house, what I research, those type of people are very near to research, any kind of research. Rahu may debilitated, Rahu may exalted, but these type of native believe in astrology a lot. These type of native believe in a mantra siddhi, you can say, or these type of native are very near to our you can say history, sahitya, ya gyan, you can say knowledge. They have a vast knowledge if Rahu is in 8th house. This is the plus point. Otherwise, Rahu placement is 8th house. A person is always suffered during the Mahadasha, and lot of hurdles he will face, a lot of depths he will see, and he will live a life in great fear, always tension, always depression, because Rahu is in 8th house. So guys, you need to check your birth chart, nearest astrologer. He will suggest you some small remedies about Rahu if not well placed in your birth chart, especially in 8th house, and you can do that remedy on time, and you will surely see a good results. Now I'm going to talk about Rahu in 9th house. If Rahu is in 9th house in alone position, like there's no other planet placed in conjunction with Rahu in 9th house, this is the ultimate position. A person start our career from zero and he become a hero. Rahu is 9th house will give you a lot of spirituality, and that type of native very near to our religion if Rahu is well placed. If Rahu is not well placed, they leave our religion, they may change our religion. They may turn from Hindu to Muslim, or Muslim to Christian or Yehudi, if Rahu is not well placed in your 9th house. But if Rahu is well placed, you will have lot of foreign connections, and your earning source will be linked with the foreign land, because Rahu placement is 9th house in exalted sign, on sign, or Mood Trakon sign like Taurus sign, Cancer sign, Gemini sign. Rahu will always give fantastic result in your 9th house. You will get in touch with foreigners. You may start any new venture, business venture with any foreign company, or any foreigner friends you may start. There's a long multiple journeys. Settlement is foreign land also seen if you have a Rahu 18 years Mahadasha. Now I'm going to talk about if Rahu is in your 10th house in exalted position, you become a politician, great politician, a successful politician, like Mr. Yogi, Chief Minister of India, Chief Minister of, you can say, UP, Mr. Yogi is one of the greatest person. Rahu exalted in 10th house. If any native Rahu is exalted in 10th house, that type of native will always involve in politics, and or they have a very good contacts with higher authority, or they have a very good contacts with politicians. If Rahu is exalted, you become very good businessman, you become very good trader. If you are start any business linked with IT material like computer accessories or computer selling purchasing or any type of electronic cheese selling purchasing, you will get a lot of gains. Rahu is in 10th house. Those people who are start any business linked with electronic system or technical line, like you are selling, you are open a showroom of the car, you are open a showroom of the Activa, scooter, bike, you will get lot of gains. Or you may open a computer accessories shop, because Rahu is exalted in your 10th house. But you have a very strong relationship, you have a very good relationship with higher authority, like politicians are your friend, or any of your family member may interested in politician, because Rahu is in 10th house. It is a very good placement of the Rahu in Opchya Bhav. Now I'm going to talk about if Rahu is in your 11th house. This is again wonderful position. Your all dreams and desires will be fulfilled if Rahu well placed in your 11th house. You will have a large circle of friends, but you need to be careful. Some of your friends may take some advantage from your side, and they cheat you they show something else and do something else with you. So you need to be careful. Don't trust blindly with your friend if Rahu is in 11th house. But in the terms of money, in the terms of materialistic gains, Rahu placement in 11th house is wonderful. You will earn heaven of money. Even your source of earning will be multiple source. You will earn money from multiple sources. You have a contacts with higher authority. Even you can say your elder siblings will help you a lot. Your all dreams and desires will be fulfilled if you do your best. If you give your 100% hard work, if you give your 100% best in your professional life, you will definitely rise and get your name, fame, prosperity in 11th house Rahu well placement. And if Rahu is not well placed in your 11th house, you are under debts. You are not enjoying your life. You are always in depression. Your relationship with your elder siblings are not very promising. You are always get confused and worried about relationship with your spouse, relationship with your elder siblings, or relationship with your in-laws will be affected if Rahu is in 11th house. Or if Rahu is in 8th house in debilitated sign, the relationship with you and your in-laws will not very promising. Now I'm going to talk about if Rahu plays in your 12th house and you have a Rahu Mahadasha, 18 years of Mahadasha, you will definitely settle in foreign land. If you start any business in your birth land, you will under the debts. You can say you will declare bad debts, or you will declare a bankruptcy if you live in your birthplace or birth land, like if your born place is Bombay and you start any business in Bombay and you have a Rahu Mahadasha in your young age, you will definitely you will definitely bear a lot of losses, or you will declare bankruptcy 2-3 times. But if you living in foreign land, far away from our country, Rahu will give you lot of gains. You will get success in foreign land. You will earn lot of dollars. Your name, fame, prosperity, everything you will get from foreign land. Even there is a strong chances after some struggle, you are easily settled in foreign land and you become a top level businessman in abroad. So guys, you need to know which type of position of Rahu is in your birth chart, and do you have a Rahu Mahadasha right now, which is going to 18 years. This is not a small time. This is not a small phase of life. I check a lot of birth chart. Rahu may place well position, Rahu may place worst position, but those people are always under depression, because that is Rahu nature. Rahu is a shadow planet. So you need to worship of Lord Shiva. Try to visit Lord Shiva temple every day morning, and charity to some poor people. Donate some food, or give some food or grocery to poor people on Wednesday, and start worship of goddess Kali on Wednesday. That all activities will give you a lot of strength, and you will face the bad phase of the Rahu Mahadasha. So guys, you must check where Rahu plays in your birth chart from your nearest astrologer. Keep watching my videos, and I'm praying for you a happy future. Stay safe, stay home. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.